Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the SteamVR error 108 in 2026. Now, error 108 usually means that SteamVR can't detect your headset even though it is plugged in. So here are some of the fixes that you can try immediately. First of all, you need to fully close your SteamVR and Steam. After that, you need to unplug your VR headset from your PC. This includes the USB cable, the DisplayPort or HDMI cable. After doing this, you just have to wait for 15 seconds. Then you just have to plug everything back in formally. Just make sure that the display cable is connected directly to your graphics card and not the motherboard. After that, you just have to open Steam again and launch SteamVR again. So with this particular step, the error 108 should be gone. But if it still shows you the error 108, you can just try switching the USB ports. So you can just simply unplug the headset's USB cable, then plug it into the different USB port, preferably a USB 3.0 port on the back of your PC. After that, again, you need to launch Steam and you need to launch SteamVR. So if the issue still persists, you can just simply do a quick restart of the SteamVR services. For that, simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now, when you are able to see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to type a command here. So the command is going to look something like this. It is services.msc. So when you enter this command, simply click on the option of OK here. So when you are inside the files, you just have to look for SteamVR USB helper services and SteamVR VR compositor services. So after finding each one of these, simply right click on that and click on the option of restart. So this is going to basically reopen SteamVR and it is most probably going to fix the issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.